Oh, what the hell?
What is it?
Don't know.
Get him.
Whoa, it's a trout.
Get him, Dom.
That there looks terrific.
Hey everybody, it's Dom here. Dom's Fishing Adventures. We're going fishing. You guys want to come along? You guys want to come along?
Yeah.
Right, so we've got the crew here. We're going to a country town called Waroona and explore around a bit. Anyway, sit back, relax. We'll see you in about 10 minutes time.
Watch out, Dom. You're gonna hit the tree.
Wow, we made it.
Wow, you excited?
We made it. All right. Beautiful Drakesbrook Dam, Weir, whatever you want to call it these days. Been there a few times. Well, actually, it's probably the only place where I used to do some freshwater fishing. Got the crew here. We're just gonna muck around. No pressure. Lock and load with the coffee, with the caps.
Look at my hat. Look at my hat.
What's it say? Wow, awesome.
I jumped.
Okay, so I'm going to be using a spinner on my lure, and I've got some baits out there, artificial baits with sinkers over there. They're a bit novices, so I'm not going to give them lures yet. There you go. Let's give it a shot. The wind is coming towards us. It's a bit challenging, but it also could signify that any food is sort of getting brought into here, so that might bring in a couple of redfin perch or trout. So I think that's just about right, nice and light. Beauty. So we've got two canoes out there with the wind. They're trying to move. They're doing a good workout, but they're not getting very far. What I've got here, it's like a paternoster rig with a ball sink which I've tied on, and a small hook with one of those power baits. So I can untangle it. So that will sit on the bottom, and that will sit sort of mid-water. There's a bit of weed here, and if there's any fish, I'll definitely see it. I'm not going to cast too far. Yeah, that wind is coming right here, so it's a bit hard. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a bell on the end of this. It's called the strike indicator. It's a bit rusty. That'll do the job. Yeah, fish alarm. Here's another little trick. I've got these fluoro floats with a little stop sinker right here, and a fair bit of leader with a long shank hook. Same thing with the pro bait. And I've caught my first ever trout this way last year. I'll be honest, I don't expect much at all today. This wind. The water's quite murky too. Must have some fresh rains in here. I'm no expert on freshwater fish, whether murky water has something to do with the lack of bites, or I'm not too sure. But I know for a fact trout do like a bit of chop. If you're on a kayak or on a boat, well, I know especially in Tasmania, I saw an episode on some other show, and they reckon trout on a bit of a chop they really come up and go on the bite a lot harder. Oh, what the hell?
What is it?
Don't know.
Get him.
Whoa, it's a trout.
Get him, John.
Oh, we just saw the line take off. Woo! Awesome.
Are you okay?
Anthony, what are you doing? Awesome, I just saw my line take off. And we got our first trout. Absolutely beautiful. Stoked. So the strike indicator worked. I wasn't recording. I mean, I was recording, but it was actually getting pretty boring out here. And whew, what do you reckon?
I reckon we can throw it in.
No way. Oh, that took a while.
Can I see your lip?
Sure. Just clean him up. Good one, mate. Wow! He's a dancer.
John, can I touch him?
Sure you can. Let's clean him up, huh? We got any water? Yeah. Anyway, so we just cleaned him up. It's nice and clean. He's definitely a keeper. I'll measure him up. I think he needs to be 30. He's definitely over 30. And lovely. Right, so that's the fish there. Beautiful trout. And I caught him on the paternoster rig with those pro baits. Just saw it go. In fact, the rod nearly went in the water. If it wasn't for my sis to yell out, it would have taken the whole rod.
John, can I have him?
He's very slimy. He's very slimy. That's a rainbow trout too.
Just kiss him.
Lovely. Right, so that's what I was doing. You can see the small black hook using these pro baits. Very lazy way of catching them. Well, we're throwing out lures galore, nothing. And just a very simple rig. Nice and light. Got the bell out here. That sort of let me know there's a fish there, but the main reason I knew a fish was because the rod just went in the water. Then it started ringing. And there's a fair bit of weed out here. So what I was doing, just basically plonking it probably within 2 meters from the shoreline. Prime conditions now for the trout. The sun is starting to set. You got a little more shade. And people don't realise that trout are a winter species, and they love the cold. So you just got to be in it to win it. Right, I'll just let some line out because I can sort of take the rod into the water. Oh, meatballs!
Kjofte.
Meatballs!
Kjofte.
Wow!
There's a fish belly.
Are they any good? Mmm!
And can you don't have one?
Yum!
Good? Kjofte.
Mmm! Meatballs! Check out the kangaroos out there. There's one over there. Oh, there's a couple moving. Awesome. Too dark. Okay, viewers, we made it back. I'm going to cook this up. I'm going to clean it up, dress it up. Very simple dish. Very simple. I'll show you what I'll be doing in a few minutes' time. Let's do it. First things first, we're going to scale it. Very fine scales I've got here. And the skin on these fish, because they're fresh water and they're mainly a winter species from the northern hemisphere, it's very oily and thick. And the flavour of the skin, last time I cooked it, I wasn't very impressed. It almost tastes like the mud that they're leaving, or not the mud, but the fresh water. But hopefully today it tastes a bit better. I'm going to gut him. If I can find it, it's all the way down here. Straight. Just get rid of that. I think that's the liver. Get rid of that there too. Clean it up. What I am going to do though is cut the flesh. In fact, just cut the skin, little pieces here. So I've got the trout here all dressed up, finely chopped up onions, a bit of spinach, and a big lump of butter. I don't know if butter's meant to be fluffy like that. I don't usually cook with butter. I'm going to throw in my onions. Try and get the sauce seasoned up a bit. A little salt. A bit of black pepper. Now we don't want to overcook the onions, we just want to make them nice and soft. So I'll just slightly cook this one on probably half the heat temperature. This will be like a bit of a sauce. Okay, throwing the spinach, a bit of fresh parsley. Right, we take this off, put it aside. Another dollop of butter. So I have to cut the trout, the tail and the head, put it in a frying pan. Cook this up until it's nice and warm. So that's cooking away. Maybe change the battery. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That looks bloody brilliant. Whew. Horse trout is a pretty earthy flavour. You want to throw in some of these greens. I reckon it'll make a good condiment. Stir them up a bit. Throw in that onion sauce I made before. Oh, that looks pretty good. Okay, so I'll say that's definitely done now. Look at that. Oh, trout, beans and onions. Now I'll put the trout on the plate here. Okay, that looks really nice as it is, but I'm going to dress this up. First thing I'm going to do is take off this dorsal fin. Side you've got the anal fin, and there's a few pectoral fins on the side here. That's it, most of the bones are taken off. Now to take the flesh away from the bone, the backbone, just going to slightly part that. If I can do it in one hit, it'd be terrific. Oh, look at that.
nice and easy, and this should come off, because the bone should come off nice and easy. There we go. Look at that. Alright, terrific. So that's the clean, the boned, cooked trout. Put in our makeshift sauce, which I don't know if it's going to work. Beans and onions. That there looks terrific. Let's have a quick taste test while no one's around. Bit of champagne, no celebration. Just thought, why not?
Fish.
Let's give this a shot.
Fish. Tucker. Fish. Tucker, man. Fish. Tucker. Fish. Tucker. The fish. Tucker, man.
Spot on. Stuff the family. I want to hone into this. I am so happy I've made trout taste terrific. The onions, the butter, the crispy skin on the back. Last time I had trout, I did it smoked, plus in the oven. It was okay, but this, you got to try it if you get a chance to catch your own fresh trout, mate. Salute, dans my petite. We'll see you next time. Take it easy. Yeah, beauty. I'm impressed.
Fish. Tucker. Fish. Tucker. Fish. Tucker, man. Fish. Tucker. Fish. Tucker. The fish. Tucker, man.